Welcome at Royal Defence Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about number system. It's a very important topic for military school, Sainik school and IMC entrance exam. So here we have to learn how to write the numbers. As we all know that in English we have 26 alphabet or 26 symbols that is used to write and speak English. Similarly, in the Roman numerals, we also have like that. We use 7 symbols, that is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols that is used to write biggest and the smallest Roman numerals. Similarly, in math, we have 10 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 10 symbols used to write biggest and the smallest numbers, and all the problematic questions, whatever the calculations we have to do, that is only done by these 10 symbols. Now we have to continue with our number system, and here the first topic is about natural number. What is natural number? Natural number is also known as your counting number. When we ask to speak out counting from a small kid, nursery, KG, UKG first, then he will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and infinite. What do you mean by the infinite? Infinite means never ends, never finished. So natural number are those numbers which start from 1 to infinite. Then we have whole number. When 0 included with natural number, then it becomes your whole number. That means all the natural numbers included in whole number with 0. Now whole number start from 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and continuously all positive numbers. These are called whole numbers. Then we have next integers. All negative and the positive numbers are called integers. It includes whole number. It also includes your natural number. Natural number plus 0 plus all negative numbers are called integers. Then the next is your rational number. Rational number are those numbers which is written in P by Q form where Q is not equals to 0. That means here we have all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers and the integers. Apart from all the fractional numbers like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 7, these numbers are included in which denominator never be equals to 0. Such type of numbers are called rational numbers. Let we understand all these number on number line. This is our number line in which we have 0 and positive numbers, then 0 and negative numbers. Now numbers start from 1 to infinite is called natural number. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and it's continuously going on. These numbers are called natural number. Now natural number and 0 is called whole number. When natural numbers included with 0, then they are called whole numbers. That means whole numbers start from 0 to infinite. And what we understand by this? We understand that all the natural numbers are included in whole number, whereas whole number is bigger than natural numbers. It have 0 also. Okay, then we have all the negative and the positive numbers. They are continuously going on. These numbers are called integers, means negative and positive. What the integers include? Integers include all the natural number. Natural number आएंगे, whole number, they included in integers. And integers are bigger than whole number and natural number. Why? Because it includes negative numbers also. That means -1, -2, -3, -4, -6 and infinite. Negative and positive numbers are called integers. Now we have fractional numbers like 13 upon 2, or the every number have 1 as a denominator. Just like 2 upon 1 equals to 2. 2 upon 1 equals to 2. 3 upon 1 equals to 3. 4 upon 1 equals to 4. That means denominator of any natural number integer is always 1. When we divide natural number, whole number, integer by 1, then result remains same. Now, when we have numbers like that, minus 13 upon 2, minus 7 upon 2, minus 18 upon 7, such type of numbers are called rational numbers. Rational number is wider than your integers. Why? Because it also includes fractional numbers. It also included numbers which is written in P by Q form. So here we found that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are natural numbers, that is included in your rational number. Then 0 is also included in rational number. Integers, negative numbers are also included in rational numbers. But 13 upon 2 is your rational. 10 plus 9 minus 19 upon 2 is your rational number. 13 plus 12, that is your minus 25 upon 2, half. That is your 29 upon 2, half of 15 and 14. That is mid value of 14 and 15. That is your rational number. Now, what we learned in that, all the natural numbers are start from 1 to infinite, whereas whole numbers start from 0 to infinite. That means all the natural numbers included in whole number, but 0 is not a natural number. 0 natural number nahi hai. That is not a natural number, whereas 1 to infinite are natural number, and that all natural numbers are included in whole numbers, and 0 do not include in natural numbers. So whole number is wider than natural number. Then 0 plus natural number and all negative numbers included in integers. So what we understand that all the natural numbers are integer, all the whole numbers are integers, because they all are included in whole number and natural number are included in integers. Then the next we have rational number. Rational number is wider than, that means it included all the natural number, whole number, integers. That means 0 to infinite, negative are included in rational number. Then what is the difference? Difference is that rational number is the P by Q format numbers. That means all the numbers have 1 as a denominator. So these numbers are natural number, whole number and integer. But the numbers which have 19 upon 2, that is a rational number, that is not a integer. So fractional numbers which are written in P by Q form are called rational number. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.